be a stalker. And please don't be like me. It was a Word document. The first 10 pages were of Salman Rushdie is the most last time, so that he gets printouts and oh, my son is reading like difficult books. But inside that book was
So we are here at the Durjoy Datta's book launch. So he is having photo session. He is having a photo session. Alright, hold on, let me show you. If I can. There you see him. Autographing books and selfies with girls. In a minute or so, I'll try to get a small interview with him if possible. Like only if possible. Lighting is good over here. So my partner is talking with the organizers if they can get a 5-minute or 10-minute, interview out of him. So let's hope for the best and get as much as we can out of him. Peace.
So, we have read your books with Nikita Singh. Will you ever be writing books with some other authors?
earlier I used to be really underconfident about the things I used to write. So I used to involve a co-author to tell me that this is going right, this is not going right. But now I'm more assured that if this book fails, I'm going to take it on me. If it was, then I'm going to accept all the earlier I was like, if the book fails, it's the author's fault, it's the author's fault.
Such question is, will you ever be writing your own love story in novels?
I don't think so. I think I've used bits and pieces of my own love story in the books, so I don't think it will serve any purpose writing a full-fledged love story which is inspired by my own life, and I think it will be a very vain attempt if I try to do it.
So tell us something about your next novel, like when should we expect one more novel?
It will come out in the middle of the next year, but I'm not sure yet, and I have not finished writing it as of now, and it's just a bunch of ideas and characters and situations. So all I know that it's going to be the first book of a series that I'm going to write again. So let's wait and see what happens.
So that will be a series.
That will be a series.
Series of how many books?
I think it will be a trilogy.
A trilogy. Then what message you want to give to the youth, the upcoming writers?
For writers, I just say that it's very important for every writer to read, because that's the only way you're going to hone your craft. There's no other way that you know how to tell a story. So it's very important to read a lot of books and read writers that have come before you, because you eventually are going to compete with them, and you're going to compete with other on the bookshelf with those writers. So you should know how to craft your stories well. So for that reason, you should read a lot.
Okay, sir, then now that we all know that you have your own publishing house, so you publish only your books, or you will be publishing the books of some other authors as well?
I moved out of that publishing house about a year back, and all my books are published by Penguin. But Grapevine India Publishers will publish every young author who's talented. So.
Okay, so then I will ask questions very frequently, like rapid fire. So, like, who is your favorite author? Indian author, favorite Indian author?
Favorite Indian author might be Jhumpa Lahiri.
Okay, so your favorite book?
My favorite book, there are many, like The Fault in Our Stars and Namesake.
Okay, then sir, which one book that you love or like the most among your own?
I've been led to believe that Till the Last Breath is my best book, but I don't know. So whichever the next book that I'm writing is always my favorite.
So is there any other Indian author of your age that you like to read or that you follow?
I like Samit Basu, who's like a couple of years older than me, and he writes in fantasy, and he writes across different genres, so I really like him.
So your favorite movie?
Is The Truman Show.
Favorite actress?
It keeps on changing. Right now it's Priyanka Chopra.
It's Priyanka Chopra. Okay. Did you like Guwahati?
From whatever I've seen, I love Guwahati.
I guess it's your first time here.
It's my first time here, yes.
So, will you be coming again for some book launch?
I will. Whenever my next book comes out, I'll probably come again.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank you.
so much.